Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Boring Susan and today we're going to be opening and unboxing the Jeffree Star Winter Mystery Box in the mini size. So excited, let's get into it! Okay, so the first thing in this mystery box is the Velour Lip Scrub in Diet Root Beer. This is from the Shane Conspiracy Collection. We love that. Super nice, obviously Diet Root Beer. We love a good scrub. What a moment. Next, in this box, also in that Conspiracy Collection, we have the Velour Liquid Lipstick in Jeffree. What the fuck? Exactly. This is a really beautiful magenta shade. I do know that we did see the pink collection in some of the other boxes, so I'll see if I have one of those as well. So, we might have a duplicate of this baby. And the last thing that we have is the gloss, and this is from the Orgy Collection in the shade Beaded Glass. Super beautiful. I love this packaging. I love like the thick box. She loves a good thick box. Oh my gosh. Beaded Glass, you're a moment, girl. Oh my gosh. This is a really gorgeous, like, gold with a bit of some reflex, some green shimmer in there as well. She really did that. Oh my gosh. And we love the nude on the top for the gloss. Super iconic. So these are the three products that I got in my Jeffree Star Winter Mystery Box in the mini size. This box retailed for $25 and had $48 worth of product, which it does indeed. I also will be unboxing all of the other boxes on my YouTube channel, so check them out. They should be the next videos. Super exciting. What do we think? Do we like this? I know there's been different variations of it as well, so tell me in the comments down below if this is what you got or if you got something different. I would love to know. Thank you so much for watching this quick, fun, and fresh little video. Wanted to show you it was in the mini, and stay tuned if you want to see the other boxes. I'm so excited. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, it's finally the time. Oh my gosh. I can't even contain it. We live for that. We love. Okay, anyways. Ooh. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see me unbox the other three boxes, stay tuned. They should be at the end of this video, and it'll be iconic. Stay with it. Let's do it. My outro's coming in. 3, 2,